I'm John McVicker, and I'm going to show you how to do a badass burnout in a badass muscle car. On a blistering hot August summer day like today, there ain't nothing more better to do than swat flies and reckless drive. Let me show you how to do it. So, the first thing you need to know to do yourself a burnout is get yourself a nice flat, straight strip of blacktop. Alright? Preferably in the backwoods to stay clear of the fuzz. Step 2, you're going to have to prepare yourself and the motor for what you're about to do. Why don't you go ahead and just communicate with your engine. You could do this by depressing the accelerator a couple of times and revving up the motor. This will assure you that you will have the horsepower to lay some fat rubber lines. And step 3, you're going to want to go ahead and find out if your car is an automatic or a manual. If you can't figure that out, well, you're going to have to ask yourself if you're a man or a woman. This car in particular is an automatic. Automatic stands for your car can automatically do great burnouts. So for this car in particular, you're going to want to put in a low one or first gear. And for step 4 on this blistering hot summer day, you want to go ahead and step on the brake pedal in the middle of your floorboard, put it right to the floor as far as it'll go, and then you want to go ahead and let your testosterone flow into your right foot onto the throttle. Put that to the floor as well, and just let her scream. I'll show you how that looks like. Here we go.